Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by mapping exactly what the Bootcamp uses now and why each item matters. Once done, identify non-critical sessions and move or combine them. This frees immediate room without extra cost. Make sure to check AV and Wi-Fi needs before shifting anything, because technology limits often block gains. You'll also list equipment and peak hours so you can target the biggest space hogs first and get tangible space back in hours, not weeks. You now reorganize how the program runs so space stretches naturally. First, stagger cohort start times and add evening or weekend blocks to spread demand. This reduces overlap and doubles usable hours. Next, repurpose low-use admin or storage areas temporarily for classes and make sure policies reflect the changes. Finally, introduce hybrid delivery. Place critical hands on labs in person while streaming lectures. You finish by measuring results and locking in the new pattern. Once you've run the reconfigured weeks, collect occupancy data and participant feedback, then iterate monthly to smooth bottlenecks. Make small investments, lockers, flexible desks, clearer signage, to improve flow. If problems arise, enforce booking rules and clear cancellation windows so no one holds space they don't use. This single policy often solves apparent shortages quickly, and if tech fails, shift to fully remote for that day to avoid disruption.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.